Hello and welcome to Tech Weekly. Today I will show you how you can block ads on your Mac device without a dedicated plugin or application. Just for your ease of mind, I will show you that at the moment I do have ads on my device. So you can see, well, I do have the ads, this isn't a fake video. So what you would want to do now is head to this link which I will leave down below in the description. Now, here's a little shout out towards AdGuard because, well, AdGuard makes a lot of good products. I really would recommend you guys go ahead and buy something from them. As you can see, there are different DNS servers. Now, what you'd get with default would be just the standard ad blocking service, which just blocks ads. Now, here you'd have the family protection plan, which would give you the default ad blocker, but will also have protected browsing enabled on top of that, meaning adult content will not show up when using the Family Protection server. Family Protection will also enable AdGuard Safe Search. So after you have selected the DNS server you'd want, you just copy one of the addresses to begin with. You're going to add both of those addresses. So just select it, right click and select copy. Now what you would want to do is head into System Preferences, go to Network, click on Advanced, head into DNS. Now if you have anything added here, click on it and try pressing the minus button. If you can't click on it or the minus button is grayed out, then that means you have no DNS servers added. So click on that plus button and then right click, paste. That's your first DNS server done. Press enter, go back to your browser, select the second DNS server, right click, copy, head back into your system preferences, click that plus button and just paste it in again, like so. Now, once you're done with that, press OK and apply. Now I'm going to show you that AdBlock is now enabled through this device. Now I'm going to refresh the page. And like that, all ads are disabled. You won't get any pop-ups or banners. All those are gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos.